Well, hello, everybody. We've made it to Thursday, March 13th. It's not Friday the 13th, but it's close. And there's a big orange moon out there tonight, this morning early. And tomorrow night, there should be a big red moon. We also may have some storms and some other crazy weather going on. But hey, we live in Missouri, and we'll take that one day at a time. So today, what are we going to do today in science? Well, we've done a few of these over the years when Mr. Crowder has to be out. Over the other months. And so that's the case today. It's going to be a Learn Smart day. Don't all sigh in agony, because you've learned over the last few days how to really conquer Learn Smart well. So I want you to do that. I want you to do your very best. I have to leave right after Dutch Hall today. So this is a special message to 4th hour, 5th hour, and that 7th hour class. I encourage you to stay in your seats. I encourage you to keep the talking to a minimum. I encourage you to work on Learn Smart and to not get frustrated. So many of you give up. You look at a question, you're like, I don't know what it is, and then you come up for help. But as you noticed, when I did it on the big screen up here, I clicked on the concept, and most of the time it takes you right there. Sometimes you have to scroll down a little bit, but you need to read everything carefully, and you'll find the exact answer. This is not group work today. This is you focusing on the assignment at hand. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about schoolwork, homework, specifically math, that you struggle in. And I need you to know that there is a positive benefit to struggling, not needless struggle, but struggling insofar as it makes your brain think. Well, there's something called neuroplasticity. And struggling in math, or really anyone engaging in mathematical problem solving or homework or assignments that cause them to have to think a little deeper, can experience enhanced neuroplasticity as the brain adapts and strengthens the neural connections through consistent practice. Okay? So there's something called the Hebbian principle, and it's a key concept in neuroscience where this states that the neurons that fire together wire together. Think about that. The neurons that fire together wire together. And they make these unbreakable links, and they help with your cognitive functions like memory and reasoning and problem solving. So that when these neurons are consistently activated simultaneously, your brain becomes stronger. So I don't get too upset when you struggle a little bit. Now, struggling over and over and over again because we haven't figured out the right way to do something, or we're just not paying attention the first time, that's a different story. But when you are constantly finding the answer, finding the answer, working through it, your brain's going to be stronger for it. So that's all I have today. I know that was a little bit deep. For those of you in the afternoon class, remember, if you get yourselves in trouble, it's going to be terrible tomorrow. I know it can get a little hot sometimes until they turn the air conditioner on, but you got to struggle through it, okay? So, this is Mr. Crowder signing off. Do your very best today, and as always, stay science-y.